Hi, I'm Robin with EWEB. We're out here at the Currin Substation construction site. So come on, let's go check it out. Currin Substation is considered the grand central station of EWEB's electric grid. It has major transmission and delivery points north to south. It connects east to our water treatment plant facility and west to our downtown network. For over a year now, EWEB has been planning to do a complete rebuild of this 60-year-old substation, and quite simply, it no longer meets modern expectations. Over the past few weeks, crews have been working on pulling up old foundation, and very soon they're going to lay new foundation that will meet modern seismic standards. Currin is the first of several substations that EWEB plans to rebuild over the next decade, and that's part of a major infrastructure investment plan to maintain the electric reliability that EWEB customers have come to know and trust. Follow along with the Currin Substation rebuild and learn more about EWEB's electric reliability projects at eweb.org/electric reliability.